Hey everybody, it's Brittany. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are not new here. Today we are getting in on this look right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, please make sure you stay tuned, watch the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit me up and let me know if you want to see anything else. Follow me on my social media sites and enjoy. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel, y'all. Enjoy. I'm going to start off with this white concealer. As you can see, it's by Morphe, and this is going to act as my base. Because I'm working with neon pigments, I wanted to use something bright to amplify the color and the pigment. So I'm just creating a cut crease, and then I'm going in and I'm just trying to even out the line to make the cut crease more sharp. Now I'm going in with this pigment stack. This is from Beats by Deb Cosmetics. And I'm going to go in with that loud neon yellow. I guess it's a yellow. I thought it was green. It doesn't matter. And I'm going to follow up with that with the orange. And it is very hard to work with pigments because I so badly want a smooth transition in between the colors, but patting them works better than trying to brush them because, like I said, they are loose pigments. Okay, now I'm going in with this 12-piece eyeliner set. Again, this is from Beats by Deb Cosmetics, and I'm going to use that black to outline. Look at my little children. But I'm going to use that black to outline the colors, and this is just going to give it that extra pop. And now I'm just going to go in with the makeup wipe and clean up any excess that's out of line. Jahani always wants to make an appearance in the videos, guys. So y'all excuse the kids. There's no way I can do makeup without them wanting to be involved in some sort of way. Now I'm going in with my Fenty foundation. Pretty sure this video, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I recorded this video so long ago, so that's my winter shade that I'm using, and I think it's 385. So yeah, we're just gonna put that on, and y'all have seen this before, so I'm just going on with my basic face routine. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we're just gonna work that in, and I'm gonna shut up so y'all can watch the rest of the video. Enjoy. I said I was going to shut up. I lied. So here I'm going to contour my nose using this contour stick by Fenty Beauty. And I think contouring is like one of my favorite parts of doing a face, whether it's basic or full glam, because it just brings so much chisel and shadow and trickery. And yeah, like there are just certain parts of makeup that I just absolutely love, and this happens to be one. So I'm just chiseling my face, and then I'm gonna shut up again and I'll be back. And now I'm going to add just a little bit of concealer on the bridge of my nose to give it an extra highlight. Of course, when you're highlighting things, you bring these things forward, if that makes sense. And then I'm using that, what kind of palette is this? I'm just using it as like setting powder, but it's pressed. And so this will cut out any creasing and that chisel. Y'all listen, I love contouring. And I just use that contour sort of like a bronzer. And you can see the different dimensions of the face. I know I sound like I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm trying to do this voice recording and not do it over. I'm using this Fenty cream blush. It looks really bold when you first put it on, but trust me, sis, I got you. We blended it out. I didn't show it though. And I'm gonna add this highlight. And yeah, I'm putting that highlight on the bridge of my nose again. And the look is almost complete. I'm gonna go in with this. I use this as a highlighter. Most times I'm doing the bridge of my nose. I do the points of my nose. Y'all, I get too excited. Anyway, just watch the video. I'm talking way too much. These lashes are from Lash Barb Cosmetics in the style Mini Brats. And I'm just going to add those on. And ladies and gents, this is your final look. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. Stay tuned. There is more to come.